Welcome to the point, and today topic is cubic equation. In the continuation of quadratic equation, today I will teach you cubic equation. Okay, so if you are appearing in a competitive exam, I have already told you in any exam which is organized centrally or by central government or at the all India level, approximately 70 lakh, 50 lakh to 70 lakh candidates will appear in the exam, irrespective of the vacancies. If less vacancies are there, still also the number will be same. More vacancies are there, number will be same. So take the example of staff selection commission. Approximately 50 lakh candidates will appear and vacancies will be 7,000 to 8,000. Okay. Same in the IBPS scenario. Now the vacancy has reduced already. So the competition will be tough because of merger of banks. So this IBPS vacancies are already reduced. So you cannot take a chance to leave a question because of it is tough or it is a lengthy question. Okay. So don't take a chance. If among 50 lakh candidates you have to make your place, then you have to learn everything you have to learn at least. Okay, so if the tough questions are coming in the exam, then you should be able to solve those questions. Okay, so all the best, prepare well. So today I will teach you cubic equations. Okay, so write down two equations. X cube minus 6 square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the other equation is by cube plus 9 by square plus 26 by plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, x cube minus 6 square 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the other equation is y cube plus 9y square plus 26y plus 24 is equal to 0. You have to solve these two equations and compare the roots, and you have to tell whether x is greater than y, less than y, greater than equal to y, less than equal to y, x is equal to y, or relation cannot be established. Okay, so how will you solve these equations? You can solve by conventional method by doing factors. So how you will do? So the easiest way I will teach you. The easiest way I will tell you. First, you put x is equal to 1. Suppose the equation satisfies x is equal to 1. It means x minus 1 is a factor of this equation. Then divide the equation by x minus 1. For example, it satisfies x is equal to 1. Then divide the equation by x minus 1. Then you will get a quadratic equation. And quadratic equation, how to solve, I have already told you. That quadratic equation you can solve and you can find out easily the cube roots. Okay, same way in this equation, if any cubic equation is given and you have to solve it, then first you satisfy that equation by putting values like minus 1. Once you put minus 1, then plus 1, then minus 2, then plus 2, likewise it will satisfy the equation. So if it satisfies, suppose x is equal to 2, then x minus 2 will be a factor of the equation. Then divide the equation by x minus 2. Okay, the remaining quadratic equation will come, that you can solve. Okay, so we'll go ahead with the process. Okay, so this is the equation. I will write x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I will put here x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1, so here will become 1, here minus 6, here 11x minus 6 is equal to 11 plus 1 12 minus 6 minus 6 12, so it come here 0. So the equation satisfies x is equal to 1, so x minus 1 will be a factor of this quadratic cubic equation. Okay, so once I tell you the basic how to the division method of a cubic equation. Okay, if you have forgotten, then you revise it. Okay, revise it. So it is satisfied by x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1. This equation says so. 1 factor will be x minus 1. Now we do the division. So how to do the division? Here take first x square. You have to eliminate this term. You have to eliminate this term. Okay. You have to eliminate this term. Then x square, x cube multiply minus x square minus plus. This will be cancelled. Here minus 5x square, then take out this term plus 11x. Again here you do minus 5x. Do the multiplication. Minus 5x square and minus minus plus 5x plus minus. Okay. So here plus 6 square, x remaining and minus 6. Now plus 6 will go here. So 6x minus 6 and it will become 0. So this quadratic equation you will get as a, if you divide this. Okay. So one factor will be x minus 1, other will be x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This you can solve it easily. It will come x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2 x minus 3 and this x minus 1 continue is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 will be the 3 roots of this quadratic cubic equation. Okay. So these will be 3 roots. Same way I will solve this by equation. Okay. If you want to take down this, you note down this because I have to rub it. There is no space on the board. I have to rub it. Then I will solve this equation. So the roots of x 1, 2, 3 and the equation has come x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the quadratic equation is like this. Okay. Equal to 0. So now I can rub it. Okay. Now take this equation. Y cube plus 9y square plus 26y plus 24 is equal. See, you can easily find out. If I will put here y is equal to 1, then all plus it will not come. Now I am going to put y is equal to minus 1. So if I put y is equal to minus 1, then here minus, here plus, here minus 26, here 24. It will come 24, it will not come. So plus 1 minus 1 over plus 2 will not help me. So I will put y is equal to minus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. So here it will become minus 8. Here 9 4 is 36. Minus here will become to 26 2 is 52. That is minus plus 24. Okay. So now see 24 plus 36 60, 52 plus 8 60. So it will become 0. It means y plus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation. If it is not coming, generally it comes minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. This will be coming in these two. If it is not coming, we can take y is equal to 3 minus 3. Okay. So now divide by y plus 2. This will be one factor and divide this equation y cube plus 9y square plus 26y plus 24. This divide by conventional method. So I have to take, first I have to take y square. Okay. So y square I have taken. So here will become y cube plus 2y square, subtract 7y square, here it will come, then plus 26y. Now I have to take 7y. So 7y square plus 14y. Subtract minus minus, this will cancel. So 12y plus 24. Now I have to take 2. Now I have to take 12. Okay, not 12. 12 to the 24. So 12 by plus 24, it is completed. So the quadratic equation will come y square plus 7y plus 12. So y square plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0, and one equation we have already found out, y is equal to y plus 2. So y square plus 4y plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Y plus 4 plus 3, y plus 4 is equal to 0. Y plus 3, y plus 4 and y plus 2. These three factors has come. So roots of y will be, I am writing here, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So how to compare the roots, I have already told you in previous video. So if you have not watched that video, watch the video so that you will get how to compare the roots. Okay. So now here clearly it is written, every one root we have to compare with all the three. So 1 is bigger than this. 2 is bigger than this. 3 is bigger than also. So here clearly it is x is greater than y. X is greater than y. It will be established x is greater than y. Okay. So this is the basic method. You pause the video, solve the question yourself. If you don't understand, rewind video, then watch 2 times. This is the basic thing. This you must know. Otherwise, you will not proceed further. Even if you have remembered some question, you will forget in the exam and you will lose the mark. So the basic thing you should know. Okay? Basic thing you should know. Now, you will ask for the short trick, so I will tell you the short trick. Okay? So I am going to rub this. Okay, so take first equation. First equation take, only write the coefficient 1. I will change the marker. Okay, so coefficient of this is 1 minus, then other coefficient is minus 6, then 11, then minus 6. Okay, so equation was satisfied by x is equal to 1. So write here x is equal to 1. Write down below 0. This is the rule, you have to write 0 in every equation. Now add this 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, now multiply. 1 1 ja 1. If here minus, then minus also will be. Multiplication will be with the sign. Considering the sign, multiplication will be done. So 1 1 ja 1. Now add this. Minus 5 will come here. Then again multiply. Minus 5 into 1. Minus 5. Then here remaining 6. Now multiply this. 6 1 ja 6, and here it will become 0. You got the procedure? Okay, I will explain you again. You write the coefficient x cube का 1, x square का with sign minus 6, then 11, then minus 6. Now x is equal to 1 has satisfied this equation. So here always 0 will come. Now you multiply with this 1. So here 1, then add. Add means minus 5 will remain, then again you multiply. Okay, so minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Again you add, then 6 banja 6 and 0. So the quadratic equation will come here. This is the coefficient of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and the same it has come here. So you don't have to do this all calculation, provided you know. Okay, you should know. So by doing this method, writing the coefficient, you can easily find out the quadratic equation. Okay, so now I will do for the y equation also. Write the coefficient of y. 1 plus 9 plus 26 plus 24. 1 plus 9 plus 26. I think it is not visible to you. Okay, so I will write it here. 1 9 26 24. Okay, so write here 0. Write here 0. Okay, 0. Now the equation was satisfied by y is equal to minus 2. Then you multiply with minus, add this 1, then multiply with minus 2. Pay attention here. Minus 2 1 ja 1 minus 2. Add this 7 will come. Then again you multiply 7 into minus 2 minus 14. Then 12 will remain. Then 12 into minus 2 minus 24, and at the end 0 should come. At the end minus 24 plus 24 0. So at the end, so equation will be y square plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0. Y square plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now you can solve this equation and find out the roots. Okay, so easily by this trick you can easily find out. If you practice, it will be very easy for you. You no need to solve the full question. Okay, so it will be very easy for you, and you can find out the roots and compare the values. Correct? So we'll take another question. Okay, write down another question. First equation is 5x cube minus 12 x square plus x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the one equation. 5x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 6 is equal to 0. The other equation is 5 by cube plus 28 by square plus 35 by plus 12 is equal to 0. 5 by cube plus 28 by square, okay, plus 35 by plus 12 is equal to 0. These two equations are given, cubic equations. We solve these equations and compare the roots. Okay, the same procedure will follow. Put x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1, so 5 here come, minus 12 plus 1 plus 6. Something has happened. 1 6 plus 1 7, 5 12 minus 12 0. Okay, so in the first attempt only 0 has come. Okay, this mistake has done. So 1 here, 1 12 5 minus 12 1 and 1. Okay, so x is equal to, by putting x is equal to 1, the answer has come. Okay, so now okay, correct na? So x minus 1 will be one factor of this equation. Okay, 5x square minus 12x 5x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 6 is equal to 0. ठीक है? Okay, so 5 minus 12 1 plus 6. Okay, so this will be the sum. So we will do by the shortcut easy method. Okay, we'll do by shortcut easy method. So what will we do? x is equal to 1 has satisfied the equation. So write the coefficient 1 minus 12 1 6. Okay, this is minus 12. So write here 0, add, now multiply 5, then minus 7 remaining, then minus 7, then here it will become minus 6, then multiply minus 6 and it will become 0. So what will be the quadratic equation you will get? 5x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation you will get 5x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now you solve this. 30, okay, and 10 3 is 30. So 5x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. 5x x minus 2 plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 comma minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 we can write x is equal to 2 comma minus 0.6. Okay, and one value is x is equal to 1. So these are the three roots. X is equal to 1, 2, minus 0.6. These are the roots of x. Okay. This shortcut I have already told you previous video. By that you can do. Okay. So now take the other equation. All plus, so putting plus 1 will not help. I will put minus 1. So this will become minus 5 plus 28 minus 35 plus 12. Okay, so 35 plus 5 40, 20s plus 12 40, so it will become 0. So y is equal to minus 1 satisfied the equation. So y plus 1 will be 1 factor. So write down this 5 28 35 12, take here 0. Okay, 0 you have to take. Now add this 5, now multiply with this one, minus 5 23, then minus 23 12, then minus 12, and it has become 0. Correct? So here the quadratic equation will come 5y square plus 23y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now you solve this. 12 panja 60 and 23 ja 60. Okay, correct? So 23 ja 60 divided by 5 divided by 5. Already I have told you the short trick. Okay, so both this will become minus. So minus 4 and minus 0.6, and 1 is minus 1. Okay, so these are the three roots of y. Now you can compare. I will tell you again how to compare. So compare 1 with all these three. So 1 is greater than all the three. 2 is greater than all the three. Now 1 is greater, 2 is greater. Now 0.6 minus 0.6 remaining. So minus 0.6 is greater than this, is equal to this. Okay, is equal to this minus 0.6. Okay, minus 0.6, right, is equal to this, and greater than this minus 1. So here the answer will be x is greater than equal to, because in one question it has become equal to also. So answer is x is greater than equal to y. So this will be the answer, x is greater than equal to y. So by this, using this method, you practice this method, it will be very easy. For this I have already told you short trick for quadratic equation. You practice that. So I think now quadratic equation and cubic equation I have completed. You practice them on 3 video, 2 videos I have uploaded earlier. I think this have become very long video. So you watch it properly, no problem, you can pause it and you solve one question, other question. Then you take some other question from your textbook or text series and solve those questions. Okay, it will help you a lot in solving the tough questions. Okay, thanks a lot, practice well.